please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello. Hello. Oh, on deal.
Bling bling.
I don't like working here.
Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you, Mr. Ndima?
Good, thank you. Why did you put the phone down on me?
I couldn't hear you, sir. I thought you'd put the phone down.
No. I didn't put the phone down because I could hear you perfectly.
Oh, okay. Well, that was obviously some miscommunication.
Yeah, I think maybe next time, right? In terms of customer service, you could maybe just hang on a little bit, right? And I mean, you can kind of also tell, maybe you can say, hi, how are you? Like, what did you just say? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes.
Oh, okay, Adele. So like my thing is maybe it's just patience that you need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? You're not wrong.
Nah?
I appreciate the constructive criticism.
Oh, okay, absolutely. Are you going to do something with it?
Absolutely.
Okay, cool, 100%. Then I'm very appreciative of that. But yeah, look, thanks for taking my call.
All right, Mr. Ndima.
I just needed to hear a friendly voice, man. I've been having such a rough week.
Sure. I'm glad that this is the place that you could come to.
Yes, I said I needed to hear a friendly voice.
Oh, I'm so glad this is the place you could come to.
Here we go. It's almost December. It's December now, so I think I'll nominate that you get a raise, right?
Oh, thanks so much. I mean, I haven't been there for that long, but I'll appreciate it anyway.
It doesn't matter. 13th check, I get 13th check. I'm fine.
Thanks, Mr. Ndima. You have a good evening, you see.
All right. Cheers. Wish me luck for my show. I'm just about to start a show.
Yes. Good luck for your show, of course. All the best. I know you're going to kick it out the park.
Happiness. Let's go.
Okay, Mr. Ndima's the worst. Hello, guys.
What am I calling in for every week?
Exactly. You tell us. What are you calling in for? To give us just No, you're calling us because you need to let us know when you start your
that
show.
you're gonna start so you can press record.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Because you don't, the people who press record live in another country.
Oh yes, because we're outsourcing and things are usually cheaper in India.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, am I in India?
Yeah.
In India, we do it like this. Welcome to the Bling Line, guys. If it's your first time here, welcome. This is a show about you, for you, by you.
Yes, absolutely.
So this is a show where you guys, we read your comments.
Yes. Comments, questions, queries, and jalo njalo. And those are done by, facilitated by myself, Uzuko Ndima, together with Talita Ndima, who is in
India at the moment.
Yes, correct. So just like we always do, let's jump straight into it.
Yes. So this episode was episode 101.
Yes.
This was one of our adulting with F-bomb. Adulting with F-bomb.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what you guys had to say.
Yebo. Uthuli Malekane, 1978. Uthi, oh. We need to get a voice note feature. No ways, bro. No ways, bro. I love this episode so much because I've always wondered about the difference between ipolisi no masingcwabane. Avbob is good ke if you want stop shop ye funeral. Engosini's siblings is a country. Absolutely. Nam Tuli. I did not know the difference between ipolisi no masingcwabane.
Yeah.
So enye indoni funeral policy.
Yeah.
Enye indoni funeral cover.
No laughing.
Masingcwabane don't English. Correct. Yes.
Oh.
It's a policy and a cover. Policy ikhupha imali, icover yenza umsebenzi.
Oh.
Yes.
Hey, I'm glad you've been listening. Yes.
Did you know the difference before?
No, I'd never even thought to put those two things in the same place.
Is it?
Yeah, they live so far away from each other in my mind.
Oh, yeah, most definitely. So I think, yeah, it's good to be one-stop shop bar. You're good the fact that they kind of like have a factory that makes coffins and they can very much in-house a lot of things. And I think that just brings costs down. If it brings costs down, I think it also ends up bringing overall stress down, but then the cost to you also comes down. So I think that's a good one. So so very glad that you picked up on that as well. So yeah, an absolute pleasure. Yeah.
Thank you, Thuli.
Thank you, Thuli, for that one. We're going to go to the next one now, which was also made by somebody. And we're just going to wait for it to come up. As soon as the guy behind the computer decides to press next.
That took forever. No Sicelo. Marele 3438 says, Yo asana uTeddy uyenzile into ngale comment. Mnanda ke ndagxothwa umama. Usithiwa mandiyokhangela umama wam because she saw that I wrote in my diary saying I doubt she's my real mom.
Oh! Wagxothwa ngumamakho esithi hambofuna umamakho because andinguye mna according to you.
Kwalento gxotha esithi ngumamakho ayingomamakho. Ngumama njani ogxotha umntana?
Hayi ngumntana njani lo uthi you're not this, I doubt you are my mother.
She doesn't know that she wasn't awake
She knew better
when you were born. And if you're treating her weirdly,
who was the way?
The baby. No see,
okay.
no cell.
Yeah.
So she doesn't know if you gave birth to her.
Your whole life. So umdala nje ukwazi unobhala kwi-diary. Ukhuliswa ba?
Yeah, you might have kulisad me, but you don't have to be my real mom.
Awusijonga isigezo esosenzileyo wena. So it is not my real mom because lo muntu lo yakulungisa.
Kwathiwa mandiphume ndiphele ndiyokhangela u-real mom ke sana. Ayocengelwa ngumama wase-next door ba mandivulele wandicelela uxolo. Because bebengafuni uxolo lwakho.
A crucial part of this story is how old are you at this stage? What? Kodwa zezathins zimdakasholo. Ufike abantu bethetha izinto ezi-anti-word bengamameli befuna ukwenza unothanda.
You're fine, but if your mom hadn't looked in your diary, she wouldn't know any of this. None of this would have happened.
Idiary thing ba.
Oh, no! We tell a lie so that you can read it. I suka. Stop in your face. Stop. Who sana niyathanda? Talking about who asked? Did I ask to be here? Jaba so complain about ntekela izinto. Did I ask to be here? You brought me here.
It's fine, but you are here now and we are enjoying ezinye izinto.
And enjoy wena.
Don't bite the hand that feeds you, and you enjoy. Yeah, you could also write something like that and enjoy umama. And then, so good, I highly doubt. Also, ubhala nange DNA. So says nange DNA kodwa kumntana. iTV is moshile, man. iTV is moshile. Because in those also, I hate you, sizibone TV. I hate you, mom. Ayizibini zenu machens.
Let's hope you and your mom have reconciled and you have done that DNA test proving that she is indeed your mother.
You got a DNA test your mama nomntana? Oh.
Basicinga ba hawo biwe lo hayi ngobabakho.
Kuhlohla iDNA. Tsecho Mokolobate 289 uthi so we've had the talk with mom on different levels. We've agreed that she puts all her important documents in one place so that it'll make the process easier. Mm-hmm. We've also touched what kind of funeral she'd want to have. Oh, ay sana chonga. At one point, we've even drafted on an obituary. Is it taboo? Maybe it is. It's not, my darling. It is not. I don't think it is.
Yeah, because sometimes you go to a funeral and you're like, this person wouldn't have liked this or
yeah, shaya ngoku. No, it's not. I think this is.
Usibhalele obituary yakhe actually. Because you know what you want to share with abantu who are there.
Correct. Is Nancy Gaba first? Going to shine eye. Sorry.
And you know what it is that you find important about your life.
Yes, that you'd like to share. But now that she is ill, I find myself taking, and Swazi mentioning the number to have was also such an important chat. You guys, you had me in my feels with this episode, but it was necessary. And the going their departure, but now the terminal A with perspective.
Nice.
Oh, awulaka. Oh. And also, I'm an FBOB member.
Okay.
That's dope.
But yeah, I mean, she's a member already, but basically, is no ebengazaz.
Yes, 100%. So I think definitely the information sessions have really been great. Yo, but also shout out to you guys, man. You and your mom for really taking it into your own hands, you know, and taking such a daunting thing, and I think maybe you might also be able to attest that maybe it wasn't as difficult as thought it would be. I wish mommy gets better, most definitely.
Yeah.
But I love the point 80 now, and they go in their departure, but now they go terminal A with perspective. I'm just thinking about a person who's going overseas, ufike odrochwa phaya kuthiwa uzawungena apha ke bhuti ne.
And OR.
Terminal A, ne? Ezo counters i-million uzawungena apha Brian ne. Then uzawukhangela i-counter ebhalwe into ethile and then umqetse. Ungene pha ungalaqazi ezweni.
Oh no way.
Kapha abanye bafuna ii-bag zabo bayazifuthanisela ngeplastic. Kapha abanye bathalelwa itroli bengafuni. Hey, ngabo ayizocounter into andiyazi.
Kukhala abantwana amapolisa khona akhona ke
khona. Hey, zizinja yi-open up abanye balambile. Abanye bathetha nge-lounge.
Ufika i-Springboks.
No! Kapha ngabantu abathi Uber uthi njani iya-requestwa i-Uber njani uthi wena uyi-Uber. Requesta nini?
Taxi.
So I love that. I love that so much.
Everything, honestly.
Yes, because you guys have made it a point to sit down and really be intentional about the things that you can't control. Sure, enjoy absolutely each and every moment, but in the Nansika of eventualities. You are there with perspective. Yeah,
the event of
Sana comment of the episode.
No, well done.
Yeah.
No, congratulations.
Yeah, no, definitely. Thank you for that, Sekho.
Yeah, that was a big girl thing to do.
Yeah.
Utuzola hoyo. Sicela nisitengisele imark zomcimbi.
Yazi no problem ngemark zomcimbi. zi-100 So ndim ne thethani namba ndim. Mna ndicima i-100 le comic izawuba i-100 for uyideliverisha. Andifuni ke mna ke uthukwa ngabahlali kuthiwa kwathi. Tell us, what would you like us to do?
Yeah.
Ne?
Look, and if you're willing to pay
absolutely
for the delivery, then fine. Into besiyoyika thina is that now you're just paying double the price for this.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
and we don't want to do that.
Yeah, okanye ke maybe mhlambi sithi i-200 ikhaphi yomcimbi includes free delivery. Because that's what people do. That's like a marketing gig. Xa uzovele kuthi 200 le mark. Soka.
Exactly. And that's fun to go about.
Sure. So there's someone also reached out in Instagram DMs. I asked them where they were and just to try and arrange to see maybe if I can get them to be somewhere.
And where are they?
Damn, if niggas tete no laduma.
Actually.
This fake amaxhosa. You know,
that would be the cheapest item at that store.
1.8.
Still cheapest item.
Oh man, yeah. I wish we could figure out, man, a point where we could have these things, man. I think it would be really nice.
Yeah, Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, basithini.
If you can't bling an example, please, man, let us know.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Sanelise Madlalisa uti, you guys read my comment that made me so giddy. Thank you. We read your comment again.
Get giddy again,
So shout out for your comment. And I'm so glad that, sometimes you put a comment and then you're just like, you feel like, hey, mhlamba ifundwanga, or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm so glad that you got your comment read twice.
No, for a fact, basifunda zonke ke babes, because we have to do this with him too.
There we go.
Uthi usneku nguni. The reaction to the mom who just turned 40 is so hilarious. I'm 22 and nam ngibabaza all the time that Sis Tally is my mother's age.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ubabaza kubani wena?
Yeah, man, I gave you 2 bills playing the fool. Only not 22.
Ndizomthini mcham?
John.
Ndizomthini?
Nini uyaqala uphangela umuntu ona 22.
Meaning?
Akhongozela kaloku boy.
Yo, so I had to wait 22 years for ukhongozela.
What?
Tobe endithuka lamntana and I ate esithi
I hate mom.
I hate mom.
Is she even my real mom?
Yeah, exactly.
No, but as older mothers ezikudla I hate mom. Ezine-gap ezinkulu 30 years gap. Kanje. When you mom, benza ne-TikTok nabantwana. Oh, hayi ba-sweet. Mom and afford to sweet.
Dog. You can't say that about everyone.
All I'm saying is that now
it's better gap. Now than it was then.
Yes, clean.
There's the part that an age gap plays.
There's a part that the age gap plays in terms of, if I'm past 35, prepare yourself for the diary, sanalam, because uzawungena uphuma kulo diary. But I mean, slap on. It is what it is. Thank you for that comment, Snekuku. Usisipho uti, a dreaded topic, but a very necessary one. Thanks for bringing F-Bob back. It makes just thinking about funeral cover less daunting, because we're informed now. You guys make future-proofing life so attractive. Hey! Yaske yayi tie ke comment of the episode.
I'm already.
You are
haven't gone that far.
You guys make future-proofing life so attractive. Everyone see future-proofing life?
I guess. It's a nice way to see it.
That's such a dope way to see it. Yeah. Thank you for that. Yeah, funny hi guys, and asincedi not nathi siyazinceda, and that's the thing. I think a big part of the channel is to talk about things that are relevant to us. And I think future proofing is definitely one of those things. So we're so glad as well for the reception that you guys have given this whole thing, You always think to yourself, but hey, if abantu bafika
bafundini, because it was kind of different from what we normally do. So mhlambi abahlali bazuyithanda le way.
Correct. So definitely thanks to you guys for having us, and thanks to F-Bob for coming back,
Yeah.
And putting back putting back into the community, which is us. By informing us and letting us know what's good.
Cool, thanks Sisipo. Uti Uria Oko. First time commenting and in Dingo Ukala.
Okay. Shout out Ria, welcome to it. You know what it is. Yeah, man. And I mean, Spotify has grown so much, dog. I was looking at it today. We're at about 7,800 followers on Spotify in just over a year. So you guys are literally doing the most. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. And hope that we'll appear on your Wrapped for the year.
If we don't appear on your Wrapped for the year, you need to do better.
I see it.
I see it.
Oh, fantastic.
We have the stuff that comes out every week.
Yeah.
100%.
No,
thanks,
definitely.
Ria.
All right.
For being the first. always find it so funny when people say, I'm the first to comment. Like, it's such a strange thing to be excited about.
Really?
Yeah. I'm always
yeah.
like, okay, this is a thing.
Yeah. Ubu Sikhati, uthi, I'm loving these episodes, yes. 31-year-old without policy. I'll do better. You know what? I'm all for that. I'm all for that kind of comment of saying I'll do better.
Yeah.
And also the kind of comments that will say, this is where I am. You understand? I'm a 31-year-old without a policy because trust, you're not the only one.
No.
And I think where we don't get to be better is where we can't admit to certain things and to say, good, hey, you know what? Maybe this is something worth rethinking. And something that maybe I can start. It's never too late to start. So I think, sure, do better. And let us know how that goes, you know? Yeah.
Thank you, Busi.
Okay then, mate.
Linda Skosana says, Talita, Sisi, unomntu omfake
Kini! Yeah! Yamazi uncapho stick.
Why did I have to read this? Unomntu omfake kwicover ukwi-heist. Wayitshela le question yabantu.
Okay, yanda kuva pramongs ne party. Like he heist.
No, so I wasn't the one that brought up the heist. Someone brought up the heist, and that was the example.
Watshela wena.
Because I wanted to understand uba umuntu oseheistini kutheni angazubhatalelwa.
Oh, ifuna because besenza ubugebenga.
Your end, what's that got to do with the price of
Oh,
rent?
Shani. Hey. Okay.
So abantu abesigebenga babangalandu.
You risk because you're risking your life.
What if it was your first time?
That's okay. Linda, uTalita unomntu okuheist. Or kanye. According to icingayo yena self.
What if you're
Andiyakuchacha
what
mna
if you're
son.
forced into the heist you didn't want to?
Hayi njani?
Because you used to be part of a gang and then
And the blood brothers. Nasiki mina nadibanisa my now we're brothers.
yes, and now you want to get out of the gang and they say
Apunya for
then,
Everyone
no.
knows. Even a child will tell you.
no, but there's always something you have to do, but it's always something that you don't want to do for sure. So, but okay, fine. One last heist, and then you can go. But now you can't explain this because you're dead. Ish.
From yambo cela kabantu nekhava kuba guys mamelana.
Just in case I die. What I'm trying to do.
Sukuya kwenzeba if bakucishile ibhatale imali yakho. Yintoni?
Your plan is not to cisha.
Phambene kaloku ubishonelani gang wena. Live by the gun, die by the gun. For now,
kaloku, you were going through hard times when you were little. And then you into zobukhwenkwe uyayazi for peer pressure.
You not going by ngwengwe. I don't know about kunzani. Kunzani by ngwengwe.
Confusing.
Yeah. And I know about kunzani. Son. Tell it.
Things happen, man. People make mistakes.
Yes, one way to
I'm just saying. People make mistakes. And joining a gang is one of them.
Okay. You can't tell it.
Kandonsho.
The life yakho. Something that we should know. Mnake mntu kupe cover. Enegama lakho.
Kaloku, you should know, ba. I can look at things from many sides.
It's fine. Ikhona enendiyazile mna malunga nale cover endiyikhuphileyo enawe. Waske wahleka wandijonga.
Ayikho futhi.
Okay, good. Thank you. Ndedi Innocentia uthi, can everyone please go back to their seats? Thank you in advance. Well. Like, what's the would that? Do you think you'd notice something like that if you're watching a podcast?
Yeah. One that I watch religiously, definitely.
Really? What would it do? Like, unsettle?
It definitely would, yeah.
Because you're trying to learn. some form of in Orlando band if you want like things in specific places. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm having such a slow day today.
Yeah.
Amagamaza kade kum.
If you are stop.
Oh yeah, color sentence. Just give us the word, honey.
I'm trying, dog, and I'm hoping it'll come when I just.
Are you a perfectionist, man? Yes.
OCD, thanks,
yes,
for
correct.
OCD, definitely. But I'm not OCD now. But it would definitely irk me a little bit.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know if I'd write a comment to that.
Lethi sibuyele ezitulweni zethu ke. Ungathethi ke mayazi izitulo yabo yokhawusi nzalo. We are trying one day at a time. But thanks for noticing. It means that you are really invested. So ke sayibulela naleyo but take the positives.
Yeah. Also, abantu, it's like if you see something for long enough in the same way, your brain goes, if it goes,
and then you spend half the episode trying to figure out
what's wrong. Yeah, you don't link off.
And awuvana le nto ithethwayo fair.
Yeah,
Okay.
and Daddy's not the only person who said that.
Oh really?
No.
Bukhona abanye abantu? But no one is saying by ibenza ntoni loo nto leyo.
No, people are just
Kodwa
like,
yes. Umntu esitulweni sakhe.
What if I'm tired of esa stool? I've been sitting on the chair the whole year. What if I'm tired of esa stool and funhlala kwesinye? But okay.
That's you.
Hlumisa Taka says, thank you so much for an amazing episode as always. This episode was really informative, especially for Umdu like myself, who's still studying and trying to navigate adulthood. Keep them coming.
We're going to keep them coming. So hlala sipheka, man. Also, I think maybe you can also help us by what other things are you trying to figure out?
Oh, yeah.
Don't ask us ways of making money because sazama nathi. Niphathela abantu be-crypto apha sikhale songeni.
And we're not allowed to give advice, financial advice.
But bendinika financial advice in another episode. You tell me subscriptions. I'm not a financial advisor.
Oh, yes, but then you said...
This is financial advice, though.
Yeah,
sure. Please do feel free to let us know what other kind of things you're looking at. I think it would be really, really great. I think the way we came up with the working relationship with Bob is that when we first initially had spoken about Ndoze funerals and when we realized how much we still needed to learn.
Yeah, how much we didn't know.
And we reached out to them and they were like, oh yeah, sure, let's do something. And it worked out as amazing as it did. So for sure, we'll definitely keep them coming. Happy to get any bit of guidance also there.
On what to keep them?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
So, good luck with your quest for adulthood.
Sansiwe so nginsi uthi signing register. Back to your comment also, that was just like, hey, first to comment, no signing register. Look, I mean, at the end of the day,
that's sweet.
I'm so glad that you've screenshot these comments as well. Because also it's just to acknowledge that as well.
Banikona sanibona.
Yeah. But ke asuba sifunda yonke into, but yabo. Safunda yonke into.
What? Okay. Thank you, Sandisiwe.
Yeah, we see you.
Uthi ulathi Soni, why nisibhida Talita? Why you ntamzupelazi? Nipita indon, it's me and it's him. Dinitana down though. I created a WhatsApp group for me and my brothers because I'm the only girl and called it sibling rivalry. Oh, that's so cute. Sweet.
Zitini bras.
Actually, that's what I want to know. Huh? What's the tea over there, bro?
Yeah, I wonder what the content of that group is.
Screenshots.
Iform. Uthumela iform phone yepolice uthi khanigcwalise napha gentleman kunenzama uyilungisa fast. I'd love to see what they'd say to that, you know, because 100%. It's still such a touchy subject. Still such a taboo thing about you. I can just imagine but I'm really, really glad. That's really cool.
What do we have
that's super cool.
Against preparation,
And look, I think part of it has also been, it's not seen as preparation. Abanye bazathi uyahlola, abanye bazathi you are manifesting, yabo, njalo njalo. So I think for me, it's just been, it's what makes it difficult is the belief system that we have around it. Yabo? Yeah. So and ke don't you're all alone, don't zonke izinto xa zixubene. Yes, be confusing. Kaloku you only live once for nini kodwa inqunqa yonke imali yakho ngoku. Awuzoyisebenzisa imali kwilizwe lizayo.
True.
You understand?
And afuna uyishela abageza.
Correct, and we also don't think about what it is and who it is that we'll leave behind, I think a lot of the time. So yeah, thank you for that, Lati.
That's not for, this is not for here. Sorry. My bad. Next. Is this the last one already? Oh, okay. Ngosi K says, I'm 24, started working last year for a funeral administrator, and I feel so guilty seeing young people younger than me taking out policies, but andimncinci ndiyoze ndiyikhabe nini oko ndandibhatala ndina 24. Need to do better. Also, I listen to these conversations now as someone who was on the other side. I don't work for the company anymore. It's very important to have these conversations. People need to check on their policies every now and then. Since working in insurance, I make sure my family members know to check on their policies. Umntu angayi only when someone has passed a figure or two, kepa. And that happens a lot.
No, for sure. Thank you for that comment. Look, I mean, for me, Daiva Lenda City doesn't ikhabe nini oko ndibhatala ndina 24. But the thing is, unfortunately, we don't live in a world whereby there's a set age.
No.
60.
No.
Or abazali bangcwaba abantwana all the time.
Yeah, true.
Like all the time.
Yeah.
I think idimele yakhe yatsho kumba. Yeah, sure, it's the world's most unnatural thing for umzali angcwaba umntana. But we also can't turn a blind eye to the fact that it actually happens. Iyenzeka bafethu, and us not being, to your point, prepared for it doesn't help us at all. Masizame nganzame zonke uba kwa terminal A sine perspective, and we are prepared. We know what to look out for. We know about, oh, okay, cool. Titini ndikhulula ibhandi, ndikhulula iwatch, izawumane ititiza lento. It really, really helps. So yeah, no, for sure. I think just applying that kind of mode of thinking to it as well. It's not about a lot of things more than it's about just being prepared and being prepared for your loved ones as well.
Enkosi.
Yeah.
That's the end of it, huh?
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining us on another episode. We are in the thick of December. If you're watching this episode before January, special shout out to you.
It will be in December.
It will launch in December, but no, but half on in get 12. Sesivaliwe laptop uthi sesiprocess yolibala password.
Okay. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Sizopina sidibalelani next week.
Yep.
We must actually figure out nini.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. I think what we shoot next week is going to be
our last one, yeah. All right. So we'll see you guys next week. Join us for the final episode of the year, and we'll check you guys then.
100%. You know what it is.
Don't forget, love each other. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.
Have you seen that guy's TikTok page? It's a logo. You should try Cherry big. It's like the body camera. Oh, like that's the whole page. They've got so many videos. That guy stays doing the same thing.